Hi there, I am Xave D Morgan, Small Business Coordinator and Membership Liaison for the Metropolitan Business League. Now, I am located in our Petersburg office, which we call the City Point Innovation Resource Center. This is located at 325 Brown Street in Petersburg, Virginia, of course. And this is my personal invitation to you, members and non members alike, to come on out and join us for our DUNS and UEI application workshop. Our Empower Hour is taking place on Tuesday, November the 28th from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And in this series of unlocking business opportunities, we are facilitating a DUNS and UEI application workshop. What is the DUNS and UEI, you ask? Great question. Your DUNS number is a data universal number provided by Dun & Bradstreet. Your UEI is a unique entity identifier, which is also a unique number provided from the official U.S. government. The DUNS number is being replaced by this UIE number. So it is imperative that even if you have your DUNS, that you do what you need to in order to apply and receive your UEI. These unique identifying numbers are mandatory for applying for federal grants and contracts. They are also required by the federal government if you are getting started with government contracting. This is the unique number that the federal government uses to track how federal dollars are being allocated. This is how important these numbers are. And the Metropolitan Business League needs to ensure that all of our members have this opportunity to apply for the unique identification numbers if you haven't already, free of charge. So don't miss this opportunity to gain crucial business identification numbers that can open doors to new opportunities and growth. Register now and take the first step towards enhancing your business visibility and credibility. Don't forget, bring your laptops.